Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. Let's guys take a look again on the euro currency. Well, if you have read our weekly research, you probably know that the major concern right now on the euro currency stands with the medium-term direction. And on the first glance, probably the chances odds stands in favor of the bit deeper move down, as the technical issues, since we have the butterfly sell pattern on the weekly chart that we have discussed already many times. This pattern suggests deeper retracement at minimum to the 135-135.20 area, because any butterfly suggests a retracement at minimum to the 3/8 support of the whole butterfly move. Only in this case, if market will hit this area, you could treat as the butterfly works properly. If this will not happen, then probably you could say that butterfly either fail or market stands in the direction to the next target, 1618. Well, that's why from the technical issue we could count on a bit deeper retracement. From the geopolitical tensions, as you know, the turmoil in Ukraine is far from the relief, and the situation becomes even worse there, especially in the southeast regions. Well, that also plays in favor of the US dollar and could trigger some additional demand for the US currency, since when the tensions appear in the world, this triggers the demand for the safe haven currency and for the dollar in particular. That's why from the one point of view and from that points, we probably could be ready for downward action, maybe to the 135-135.20 area suggested by the butterfly pattern. But still, to take into consideration all possible scenarios, we could also mention the potential appearing of the butterfly buy here. So here we could get, at least theoretically, this could be left wing, that could become the right wing. Our major task, guys, is to not act blindly. So we can't just take in any consideration these geopolitical issues and so on. We can't take the position, because we need some clear patterns, some price action that could confirm that market is indeed stand with a downward action, or vice versa, indeed market reversal to the upside. And our major task right now is to appoint some moments that we should keep an eye on that could clarify the further medium-term direction on the euro currency. That's our major task. On the daily time frame chart, we can't do this because market in fact has no patterns here. Here we could see only the direction by fact, what will happen, either A, B, C, top, D action or butterfly. But the 4-hour time frame chart could help us with this. Let's take a look at it. First of all, that is our perfect double ripple sell pattern, although guys, taking the position with this pattern was really tough task. This pattern suggests that minimum target right around 50% support. As you can see, market now is passing through weekly pivot support and monthly pivot point, weekly pivot point, monthly pivot point, and through the natural support resistance area. This was previously resistance, now it has become the support. Market is trying to pass through it. That's the minimum target of the double ripple. But I guys suggest that market could really proceed even lower, since if market has passed through this significant support area, hardly it will stop around the 50%, although as you know the 50% is the favorite levels for the euro currency. For us guys, the major level to watch for will be this one, by many reasons. First of all, the 618 retracements is very typical ratio when usually the butterfly right wing starting. But that is not the major point. The major point stands with the weekly pivot support one. The weekly pivot support one acts as the barrier, as the edge between the retracement, price action, and the reversal. Because if price action is held by the weekly pivot support one, we could say that the previous trend up still valid, and we should treat this action only as a retracement. But once market has passed through the weekly pivot support 1, it tells opposite thing, is that probably market has reversed to the downside, and that this move down, if market will pass through this level, will not be and should not be treated as a retracement anymore. Why these issues are so significant for us? Because if market will stop here and turn to the upside, that will tell us that we should be count on the butterfly on the daily time frame chart. But if market will pass through it, that will shift odds in favor of the deeper downward action, mostly due to changing the sentiment on the daily time frame chart. That's why it's significant. By this reason, we could make two conclusions. The first conclusion is our minimum target right now is that the first task of our trading plan is to watch for downward action. So if you hold short position, you can just keep it and waiting when the market will hit minimum target of the butterfly of the double ripple, or even will reach this area. That's the first part of our trading plan. That's mostly the tactical issue. Second, we will be keep an eye on this level. If we'll see the bounce, we will shift to the butterfly and we will treat the situation as the potential butterfly on the daily time frame chart. If market will pass through it, we will be count on the ABCD down and we'll be searching possibility to take into short position. That's our strategy on the euro currency for coming week.